Ever wonder how to get that perfectly stable shot with your Canon EOS R10? Today, we're going to walk through the simple, yet crucial, process of securely mounting your Canon EOS R10 onto a tripod. First, locate the tripod mounting hole on the bottom of your Canon EOS R10. It's that small, threaded metal opening. Next, grab the quick release plate from your tripod. You'll notice it has a screw designed to fit into that mounting hole. Carefully align the screw on your quick release plate with the mounting hole on your camera. Begin to screw the plate onto the camera. You don't need to over-tighten it at this stage, just get it started. Once aligned, firmly tighten the screw. This is critical. Ensure it's snug enough to prevent any wobbling or accidental detachment during your shoot. Before moving on, give the connection a quick double check. A gentle wiggle should confirm there's no play or looseness. Now, simply slide your camera with the attached quick release plate into the tripod head mount until it clicks securely into place. A stable tripod connection is absolutely essential for achieving sharp images and smooth video. Always make sure your gear is secure before leaving it unattended.